I am back with the new update. This is the new update of AlexaMaster AutoSurf. Previously, I created a video to explain how to install the latest Chrome extension in your browser. Uh, but in this video, I will explain more because I have updated the plugin. Now it's I call this plugin as AlexaMaster Pro. This is different, so you have to watch this video until I complete the explanation, otherwise you won't understand everything. So I know it's really hard to watch the video until the end, but if you want to earn more points, you have to watch it carefully. So let me explain about updated version of our AutoSurf. So this is it's a new beginning, I can say. So previously what you did, you just open a web URL. It's down here. When you scroll down, you can see what about that web URL. This URL, previously you just opened this URL and did some setups, then let it run. So you earn points, but all the time you complain about IP blocking and many issues. With the new update, it's a plugin or add-on or an extension, something that you can install inside your web browser, and that will do everything for you. You just have to click the button to start and click the button to stop. That's it. Then system will run everything automatically. So let me explain these steps. So when you start AutoSurfing with the browser-based add-on or extension or toolbar or something, first of all, you have to have the latest version of your browser. So in this tutorial, I will explain about Chrome and Firefox. So first of all, you have to upload your browser to the latest. I will start with Firefox. So let's say you have you have updated to the latest Firefox, then you can install Alexa browser extension or the toolbar from here. This is optional, but I will say it's better to have this with your browser. So you help our advertisers, also you help our community members to improve their Alexa rank. So the first, try installing this one. Then the second one, download our latest AlexaMaster Pro, sorry for my English, AlexaMaster Pro version from here. Here, the URL is www.alexamaster.net/plugins. Okay, here you can see all details about our plugins, mainly apps, add-ons, extensions, toolbars, everything. So down there you can find our official Android app. I didn't update this since 2017 because it's completely crazy. Our platform, it's really difficult to run our platform in a mobile device. It's so heavy. But I want to update this mobile app to another version soon. I don't know, I face a lot of issues with the platform. So my recommendation is to use website. It can handle everything. So Here, the second, here you can find also official Chrome extension and official Firefox add-on. Here, you just can click and install our extensions or Chrome extension or Firefox add-on from this URL. Please download, please install these plugins also in your browser and give us 5-star review. It's really helpful because we want to keep active this community. You have to help us create some nice reviews, 5-star reviews, and share your idea, your thoughts. I will be glad to see your true feelings on those pages. But these are not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about AlexaMaster Pro or AlexaMaster Pro for Chrome or for Firefox. Because for example, if you download our official Firefox add-on from this page to Firefox, it doesn't have the feature to run AutoSurf. This is a simple extension. This is simple add-on. So we keep this in the Firefox add-ons AMO, right? This is short name is AMO. This store, Firefox store. We will keep updating this version there. It's the simple version. Also, this Chrome extension that will be in Web Store, but these two version doesn't have AutoSurf feature because to access AutoSurf feature, you have to activate developer mode. It's really important because this is why I have faced issues with our mobile app also. Latest browsers, latest mobile platforms, they are crazy. They have a lot of, we have to ask for a lot of permissions. Even we have permissions, then so even we have permission, they will cut off our processes. It's really sad. Then whole production, whole of everything that I do, my hard work will be nothing because this stupid browser or mobile application, mobile platform will shut down important processes. Then you will complain, oh, this one is not working, this one is not working, blah, blah, blah. So the best thing, if you want to do AutoSurf with AlexaMaster, you have to download this AlexaMaster Pro versions. Okay, there are the latest version of this Pro is 1.1. First, let me explain how to install it in Firefox. Just download it from here. Okay, I'm gonna download. It just downloaded to my computer. I'm using Safari to access. Here the downloaded file, I can find it here. This is the downloaded file, AlexaMaster Pro 1.1 fx.xpi. This is a application for Firefox. Okay, then here you can see steps. Download latest AlexaMaster Pro from here. If Google Chrome, no. Now we are talking about Firefox. If Mozilla Firefox, open drop menu on top right corner. Let me show you. This is my Firefox browser. Left top right corner. I think top right corner is here. Add-ons, it's there. I click here. Then this, you can see this settings, right? Here you can see. Click the wheel cog button. It will open a drop menu. This is the drop menu. Now install add-on from file. Alright, I'm going to download it here. Okay, now sorry for the language, that means it's going to install. Okay, now add. Okay, got it. Allow extensions to run in private windows. Now you see it's here AlexaMaster but with Pro. Can see Pro. But if you use our official Firefox, let me open the official Firefox from here. You can just add to Firefox from here. It's just easy. You can easily install our light version. I will call this light version, AlexaMaster normal version. This add-on doesn't have feature to do AutoSurf, so you need to have Pro version. This is why I am telling you have to have Pro version. Okay, we got it into our browser. What's next? We have done all. We have installed add-on. After installation, find AlexaMaster logo on the top right corner and click. It means here the logo is there. You click. When you click under settings, it asks type your master ID. We have to put the master ID here. Every member, every AlexaMaster user got a different master ID. How can I find the master ID? Just here, insert your master ID to connect. Here you can see my master ID. This is my master ID. This is developer Dilanth account. Okay, it's 77631. Now I'm going to add 77631 and press connect. It's going to connect. Now it has connected. It's a Hey John. Okay, that's my nickname. Okay, I have 75.2k points. Under AutoSurf, you can start AutoSurf by pressing here, but please note, when you start AutoSurf, you have to reload the page. Before everything, just reload. Now come here, AutoSurf start. You see, it will open a background tab automatically. It will keep running. It will keep running in background. You have to do nothing. Just keep watching. Let's say you are busy, you are working on another website. Okay, so keep working. Google. You search on Google something. Okay, for AlexaMaster. You do something here, and you can also go to YouTube. Just do anything on your computer. AutoSurf will be running in your web browser, Firefox. Just easy. So you can see your account balance here. If you want to stop your AutoSurf, just press this stop button. It will close. Again, when you want to start, press start button. That's it. This is how it works in Firefox. It's really simple. Really simple. I think so for you, but I think you understood how to do that. Okay. Now it's my time to close my Firefox. All right. Close tabs. Now, what about our Chrome extension? This is really important. So, if you have Google Chrome, now you can again come here, download AlexaMaster Pro for Chrome. Download from here. It will keep downloading. Okay. Now it has downloaded. Okay, there's an error. I think something came from the error log. I'm gonna close that. Here, so this folder is for AlexaMaster Chrome version. There's a problem. One thing you have to know. I am using Safari. This is Apple operating system. In Apple, when I download a zip file, the system will automatically extract that downloaded zip file. Here you see in Google Chrome, you have to, after downloading Google Chrome extension, you have to unzip the downloaded zip file. But in my operating system, it has done it automatically. But some time you may use Microsoft, or you may use Linux or something. If you use Microsoft, in Linux, I'm very sure unzipping operation is for free. But in Microsoft, it's all about money, I guess. So they will have, you will have to pay for unzipping feature. So there's a nice unzipping tool. Its name is 7-zip. You can download it from here. This is the link to download 7-zip. Try this one. I'm not going to explain about 7-zip, but I think it will work in your computer. It's really nice. Try it. It has English, Chinese, French, or German, Spanish, Indonesian, Japanese, Thai, Vietnamese, Spanish. I don't know, many languages. So you can download 7-zip and unzip the file. If you cannot unzip, if your operating system cannot unzip it automatically, then turn on developer mode on your browser. Let me move to Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. Again, guys, it's really simple. You have to click on the right top corner here, and here more tools. You can find extensions, and here I have turned on developer mode here. This is the option to turn on developer mode or turn off developer mode. You can play with this switch. So what you have to do, you have to turn on developer mode and press this load unpacked and go to downloads, select this folder, unzip folder. Oh, it's already in your browser. You see, AlexaMaster Pro 1.1. You got it into your browser. Just here, you see Pro. Alright? Okay guys, but why you need Pro? There's an official Chrome extension. You can see. So you can go to Google Chrome extensions and search for AlexaMaster. This one is already in Google Chrome Store. You just have to press this button and add extension to your browser. But again, it's really important. This is a light version. It has only account and settings. You don't have AutoSurf feature in this extension. You need Pro version to access AutoSurf. So before accessing, like I told you before in Firefox version, on the steps, we have click load unpack button on top left corner and installed. Okay. Now we have AlexaMaster Pro in our web browser. Now again, to connect, I have to put this 77631, my master ID here. 77631. Is that correct? Let me connect. So I have connected. Now I can start AutoSurf again. Before press the start button, if you can click the start button, but it won't start. It's because you have to reload the page, reload the browser. Now you can start AutoSurf. Look at that. Same like in Firefox, it keeps running in background. So you can just calm down. This is our AlexaMaster official Chrome plugin. Give us a 5-star review. Help us to promote this. Please, please, I beg you. I need your help because I do everything to help you. You can see I'm spending a lot of time to explain more about this Firefox and Chrome, these extension add-ons. So only thing I get your feedback, the review. Give me your feedback, your true feedback. Spend some time to give me your feedback. So then this is all about installing these extensions or these add-ons in your browser. Really simple from my angle. Maybe it will be difficult for you, so watch the video very carefully. Again, if you want to turn off AutoSurf, just come here, press stop button, and it won't run again. Like, you just stop it. Alright, so I'm done explanation with installing these plugins and add-ons, this stuff. So I will upload this video to YouTube, then you can watch video tutorials. And again, we have this web URL. Still it's working, but I'm going to turn off this feature very soon because I have another plan to help you with more advertising facilities in AlexaMaster. Then I will I will update another version of web URL sooner. Until that, use only add-on, the Firefox add-on and Chrome extension. But again, so this video will be too long, but I have to be more transparent about the process. So how this AlexaMaster AutoSurf works. So you can check the mechanism of AlexaMaster, the mechanism. I have updated this page also. Here is the mechanism. How does it work? We want to keep our mechanism transparent. We need you to read it carefully before starting your AutoSurf feature. So here is the first step. How does it work? You saw that I installed add-on or plugin or tool, extension, whatever we call that thing in our browser, in the computer. We install that. Then when I start AutoSurf, it will request the server to send an advertised website from our database. So we have advertisers, they want traffic, they want to promote their websites to our community. Mostly they want a lot of huge traffic from our community. Sometimes they want you to check it very carefully. So at that case, AutoSurf doesn't help. AutoSurf is about a huge traffic. You know, AlexaMaster has real traffic and auto traffic option. AutoSurf is about auto traffic. We want to help our advertisers to get a lot of traffic because sometimes they check their website with a huge traffic. You know, if you are technical, you understand about some MySQL tweaking and htaccess file setups, Apache setups. There are a lot of stuff to handle traffic, database connections. So they want to test their website with a huge traffic. So AlexaMaster is the best place to target a huge traffic. Then they advertise their website in AlexaMaster AutoSurf. Sometimes they want to improve their Alexa rank, other stuff, then they put their website. then kind of they get a huge traffic. So to give that traffic, we need to get their link, the advertised URL, and then the server send that URL to your AutoSurf the browser where your AutoSurf is running. So this is the first point. You have to make sure how does it work. How does it work? You have to understand the mechanism. So the first step is your browser requests the server and get an advertised link. The second one, this is really important. We do not advertise 18 plus website, what you call porno websites, adults only websites. We don't do that. Also, we don't advertise malware, pop-up ads, because we have a clean user agreement and a privacy policy. We have an advertising policy. You can find down there. Under this, I have created another video about this privacy policies, terms of service, user agreement. So we have restricted there in the restriction. We have restricted a lot of bad stuff. I will call bad stuff. We have blocked these stuff. So we don't allow our advertisers to advertise this stuff, this bad stuff. But in rare cases, sometime somebody can violate our advertising policies, because when an advertiser submit a website, our moderators, they check their website very carefully, and before the moderator, I have created a bot. I will call that AI because it's an artificial intelligence something. So this bot will visit the website and check the contents, read the script, whatever the pop-up openers. It checks this stuff. Then sometime if it found some violations on the page, it will block your URL. Otherwise, then that will move that website to the moderator, because moderator, it's really important to keep the moderators list short. If there are a lot of websites on the moderators list, then the process will be slower. So that's why we use an AI bot. That one will check everything before sending to the moderator. So let's say everything is clean and moderator accept that advertised website, but some smart advertisers, I can't use another word, but I have to say smart, after accepting their website, they put an advertised video. That video is something about pornography. Then earn a lot of money with that video, or pop-up ads, or malware. Sometime, in rare cases, I will say it's about 1% or 0.999%, very small probability, but they can put a bad website to the system. Then our moderators will take some time to catch this one. So if we got someone, a troublemaker, someone like this, so when you run the AutoSurf, it can open something that makes you angry. Maybe a video, and also only can be. We always work hard to prevent these stuff, but there's a probability. So if something went wrong, it can open an adults only video or a pop-up ad. So you have to turn on your volume down for safety and keep children away when you run the AutoSurf. But with the latest plugins, AlexaMaster, AutoSurf, AlexaMaster Pro version, I try to prevent third-party pop-ups. That means it won't appear, or it won't make a pop-up, but I can't guarantee, because I keep testing that AutoSurf. So before blaming us, be prepared. Understand this point. I think you understand what I'm telling. Third one, When your browser opens the advertised web page, that page will send us a message to confirm that you have visited the page. It means if you are a technical guy, if you are a programmer, we never trust client side. Server cannot trust this client side because someone, a bad, maybe a hacker, maybe a cheater, I don't know how to call, but a bad person can manipulate the process. So it can show that somebody can recreate this AutoSurf in their computer, just request to the AlexaMaster server, download the advertised file, and again send a message to the server and to confirm that the client has visited the site. But practically the client block all contents. Actually the client doesn't visit the advertised site, but client keeps earning points. We have to stop this because our advertiser lose points. Somehow it's bad for our reputation, and also somebody keep cheating us. It's really bad. So to prevent that, we have most of the website that we send to your client side will have a JavaScript or an iframe or something, a widget or something that confirm our server with the visit. Like if you really visit the advertised web page, then our server will get a confirmation, otherwise it won't get a confirmation. Anyway, no matter, let's say, whatever you do with your client side, we don't care. We just collect the log. Again, I'm not doing that because I can't do that alone. I have that AI bot. AI bot is collecting the log. It will keep watching what websites you are visiting really, or what website you are blocking from your client side. You might use adblock plugin, whitelisting plugin, blacklisting plugin, some different kind of plugins to block videos, JavaScript on the advertised page. You have freedom to do that, but be careful. Then system can identify what you have blocked. Once the system have found that you have blocked contents in your browser, next time on the fourth steps, after a few seconds, AutoSurf will close the advertised page in client side and request our server to add your points. Your browser asks our server to add your points. At that time, server will check for the logs. Let's say we ask you to open an advertised site, but that advertised site didn't send a confirmation to our server. Then what will happen? You will get minimum 100 bad words to your account, and also your IP will receive an IP strike. This IP strike is something like a warning. You don't have to be worried a lot about these IP strikes, because IP strike will be a warning. We don't block your IP. We don't do something bad for you, but system will add 100 bad words minimum. So you can check your profile time to time. You will see when you have received something like this, an IP strike. At that time, you have to make sure whether your browser is clean. If you have installed any plugin, add-on, extension, toolbar, whatever that block our advertised contents, please remove that thing ASAP. Remove that before run the AutoSurf. Otherwise, you will keep collecting a lot of bad words and a lot of IP strike. Then you will be pop up on our moderators end. They will simply block your IP address. Then you have to press reset my IP address button and reset the IP address to start AutoSurf again. But if you do that, you will have to repay all points you have earned from that IP. This is really sad, I know. You don't want to return what you have earned, but this is the rule. Because you have violated our rules, we don't ban your AlexaMaster account, but we ban your IP address. To reset, you have to do that. You have to repay your earned points to the system. Because our advertiser spend their points to get traffic. If you do something wrong, they got no traffic, then they will complain us and they will talk everywhere. They will say AlexaMaster is a stupid website and we can't get traffic. It's a tricky system, cheaty system, scam, everything. Whatever they can say, they will complain. They will blame on us. So, but it happens from the freelancers side. So you must be responsible about what you are doing. Alright, then the fifth one, be careful your network speed, your bandwidth, firewall, ISP, it means internet service provider, I guess you know, and the DNS and browser, these everything, those are responsible to the process. So the everything, network speed, bandwidth, firewall, ISP, DNS, browser, they will have a great role in AutoSurf. If any of these goes wrong, so there's a probability to there's a chance to get an IP strike to your IP with bad words. So be careful. Try to keep your connection strong. If you have a limited bandwidth, if you have a bad connection, bad network speed, if you have a firewall, keep monitoring them. If someone among them went wrong, you get that IP strike. It's really important to look after that. The sixth one, there is an IP log that moderators can access in real time. They might log, I'm not sure, because previously system block your IPs, but in the latest update, system AI bot cannot block your IP automatically. I mean, not at all, but sometimes it can. But mainly, our moderator can block you. So the moderator can see that IP logs, then they might lock your IP if they found a lot of IP strikes. So very important to keep your eyes on your IP logs. You have a AutoSurf list, surfing list. There are IP addresses and some details. Keep that list. Keep checking that list. Very important. And don't use these adblock, whitelist, blacklist plugins. Make our advertiser happy. Let us help our advertisers. You have to help us. Then if they are happy, they will spend a lot of money to advertise their website in AlexaMaster. Then we earn a lot of money. We give you a lot of money. This is the way we do this business. If we don't earn any money from advertisers, then we don't have money to pay our freelancers. This is all about our business model, right? So don't complain, Rodica. This is all about the traffic quality. Again, the seventh one, there are many bad reviews on the internet about our AutoSurf, because a normal user cannot understand all this stuff. It's really more technical, very complicated, I guess so. So if we get a normal user, he just try AutoSurf and get locked their IP address or their user account, then they put a bad review, bad words on internet, then everybody thinks AlexaMaster is a bullshit. I'm sorry for the word, but this is what they are thinking. And also they will call a scam, cheater, something, whatever. So if you understand, if you watch this video from the beginning very carefully, now it's time to help us. Please check on the internet about bad reviews that we have received. Leave your good review, your idea, your comment, especially on YouTube, blogs, and other social media. Just leave a nice comment. Explain more about AlexaMaster. I don't want to block anyone. I don't want to cut anyone's payout. Because this is my passion. This is my life. AlexaMaster is my life. I spend my whole life for this website. So I don't want to lose it. If I block a freelancer, if I block an advertiser, it's like I kill myself. You have to understand the reality. Before blaming me, understand what I'm doing. So help. And the third one, the final one in this video, debugging. If you found any issue, any problem, any something, you can open our add-on page. If it is Firefox, things are anything related to Firefox, click here, open our Firefox. Sorry for the language again, now it use local language, this Vietnamese language. English. Alright, so visit this page. You can put a review, please, with the 5-star review. Give your everything, your review, your feedback, your idea, your thoughts, complaints, everything right down here. I will check this, I will reply this, and I will update. It will be really helpful for next update. So if it is Firefox, you can click here and do the stuff. If it is Chrome, again you can complain, give us your feedback from here. Please 5 stars and the review. So it will be really helpful. One thing, finally, you have to learn about our server. Please note following points before making any complaints. You can open unlimited AutoSurfs if you have unlimited IP addresses. I hope to create another separate page in AutoSurf section to give you a better idea about important countries, like the trending countries that our advertisers are looking for to get traffic. So there will be a separate page later, so that page will show you geographical location that we target more traffic. So if you have unlimited IP addresses, you can open unlimited AutoSurfs, but only one AutoSurf per unique IP address. It means only one connection per IP. It means you can use only Firefox or Chrome, not both. You can't use both. Only one AutoSurf mean for the account, for your master ID, we create only one connection from an IP address. But if you have unlimited IP addresses, we will create unlimited connections. Oh, this is really, you will, if you are a developer, you will say, oh man, you are going to create unlimited connections. Of course, I will try my best to create unlimited connection if you have unlimited IP addresses. But there's a limit with IP addresses, you know that. Anyway, if you create a second connection from the IP, this is what you are doing. I will explain the technical stuff also on this video. If you create another second connection from your IP address, then the server will overwrite the first connection with the second one. It means the server got a secret code, or it's not a secret code, it's kind of token, or it's kind of just like a number. It has a unique number. The server has an identification number for your AutoSurf. Only one identification number per IP address. This is really important. If you create another AutoSurf, let's say you open Firefox, Chrome, both from one IP address. So you start two AutoSurf from one IP address, then server will overwrite, because server will think it has a one connection. Server won't treat your two AutoSurf. You have two AutoSurfs, but it won't treat them as two connections. Server can create only one connection. So server will think once you request from Chrome, then you request from Firefox, you try to play with the server, but server will rewrite your security token or your identification number. Then server won't add any points to your account. You just try to, it's like you are DDoSing or you are brute forcing, you try to do something. You are forcing the server to earn points, but you don't receive. So it's really important, just only one connection per one IP. Don't try a lot of AutoSurf in a one single IP. You can create unlimited AutoSurfs if you have unlimited IP addresses. For example, if you have 10 different IP addresses, you can start 10 different AutoSurfs, and you can earn all money, all points to your master ID. You don't have to create fake accounts in AlexaMaster. Just one AlexaMaster account, more AutoSurfs, but one connection per IP. It's really important. Again, another thing, do not use proxy public IPs. I have seen a lot of members, they're using proxy public IPs to access AlexaMaster. So when they do that, system will keep a log related to this IP address. If it is a public IP address, another AlexaMaster member can use this public IP address. So on the logs, this is really funny. On the IP log, system AI, that AI bot, it can find a lot of members, different user accounts from same IP address. Then it will do some mathematical function like identifying the frequency of this user, and will do some, I don't want to talk about algorithms, but it has a function to do, and the filter. Then it will block all accounts, all user accounts that access AlexaMaster from that IP, or maybe system will block that IP address. So it's really bad to do this using proxy public IPs. It's really bad. So don't use proxy. You just lose your account. I mean, you just lose your time. Then you complain us again. It's really bad. Bad for me. I'm not doing something bad here. I do everything to help you. So why do you use proxy public IPs? Just use your own IP address. Third one thing, and another thing, server can refuse your browser if it finds any interruption with the connection. So no points will be added if you cannot keep the connection strong and steady. So be careful. If you have a weak connection with our server and your browser, you will face some issues with points. So the system won't add points if it lose the connection time to time. So you have to keep the connection strong and steady. Use a better internet connection. Another one, each IP strike, as I explained before, you can receive an IP strike. So each IP strike will be removed after 24 hours from the time it hit your account. Let's say I get an IP strike right now. System will remove that IP strike after 24 hours from this moment. So then you don't have to worry too much about these IP strikes, but you have to worry about bad bots. That's why you don't have, if you lock advertised contents, if you block advertised contents, that's bad for your reputation. So IP strikes are there, but we will remove these IP strikes after 24 hours. But all logs, everything, every data that collected from your IP will be there for processing. If you are coming from a GDPR country, to remove your all data, or if you have an IP address, a private IP address, just contact us. We will completely remove your data from the IP address. We will erase all data we collected from your IP address, and we will lock your IP address for our members also. If you have a private IP, complain us or contact us. We will do everything to keep your privacy there. We don't play with your privacy. Your privacy is really important for us. So contact us. But if you have a private IP address, then you can't. I mean, if you have a protected IP address, if you have a strict privacy policy with your IP address, then you can't run AutoSurf. So finally, we love you. Of course, we mean that. We love you very much. All rules are handled by our system, that AI bot, not the developer, not Rodica, not other managers, not that customer care agent. It's not me. It's the system. It's an automated system, a bot, AI bot. So therefore, if you have something to share, you are a human, I'm a human. There are humans inside our team. Write something. Write your true feeling, complaints, feedback, everything. Don't use straight language. You don't have to use straight language. So if you want to tell something, explain everything clearly in English and give us your true feedback, your feeling. Then I will do my best to update next versions, and I hope this new update will prevent many issues with low quality traffic message on payout section. What I mean, I think you have faced many issues with payouts. Sometimes if our system found a content blocker, it will block your payouts. I hope this new update will prevent that and will help you to earn more money from AlexaMaster. So my dear freelancers, I do my best to help you, right? Please share this video with your friends. Give me a like. Subscribe to this channel, my AlexaMaster. Type your comment down, please. Please. I need your comment. Not a spam, just type something like a human. So we will do everything to take you to the next stage. AlexaMaster is always here for you. So use AlexaMaster. We are the best for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching the video. I will catch you soon with another video. See you. Be safe. Stay home. I hope you're healthy. Stay home. Stay safe. Just look after your family. We can fight with this crazy virus also. So see you guys